subscribers. Today I'll show to you. So this is the first iPhone. So iPhone 2nd G. So here you can see it. So after years, so how it looks like. Also, as I know that one of these buttons not work, maybe like no, this works. So here you can see how it looks. So also here we just sorry, can't do that. So this is the way how it looks. Here you can see that on the screen it's like some death zone. So how you can see how it looks like. So I will try now to connect it through charge. So and I will ask you to write in the comments so how you think, so if we will turn it on or not. So let's just connect it to the cable and we will see. So now I successfully connected it. So here you can see, yeah. So it also shows to us like not enough battery health. So we just need to wait until it will load. So until it will until our battery will have more capacity and it will turn on iPhone. So please write in the comments how you think that if it will turn on and everything will be okay. So let's just write. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.